Hi everyone, it is day 12 of Junk Journal January and torn edges. I think every junk journaler would agree torn edges is the best fun. Right, I've got another page. I'm just going to have a look if I want to. No, I think I'd like to fill in some other bits because I can always come back. I do have lots of rippy torn bits. I've got, you can tear it this way. If you do it like this, you don't risk ripping the paper too much. You know, if you do a big rip, I don't know, maybe I'll give you an example. Might be if you do a big rip that you end up with peeling a bit of the back off the paper. Anyway, I think it is another collage day. I cannot help myself. I do just love a collage. So this is a tear ruler, so we can get a sort of a straighter edge that's torn. I'm going to just put some layers. So I've moved my setup, so I'm over in a different spot and I am under the air conditioner, so because it's 35 out there today. 35. Pouring with rain yesterday, 35 today. I'm really not sure what's going on with the Melbourne weather, but yeah, got to be grateful. All right. Now I think there is this freebie from Meg. I don't think I've used any of these. Now, I really love that. I'm thinking, I'm using the tear ruler, but what I'm thinking I wouldn't mind doing is tearing around this circle. So using that same principle. It's a very rough tear, not fussed about that. What I want is something behind it. So possibly a bit of another circle might be fun. Behind. So I'm not going to use all of that picture. Liking this circular bits. This bit I'm just trying to get a little arch torn for the cup. Like putting that there, but I think I want to maybe have something under that just sort of separates it a little bit from the background. I like this bit of orange peeping through, so I'm thinking of somehow doing something like this. And it really adds a bit of a contrast to all the blue and green on this page. Actually, I'm going to I think I might make a printable of this. I'm actually loving it so much. I think I'll do that. I haven't made or uploaded a printable for quite a while, but maybe it's time. I have been thinking I wouldn't mind a word. Now, of course, the word yesterday was courage. I found this little 600 stickers in the stash as I was cleaning up, and I'm thinking I really like these green ones. I'd like a nice sort of short word. This should be the word for the month or the 6 months. Okay, so let's have a bit of peace. How's that? Peace. And I got been having a little bit of fun with Temu. Got a little pack of birds. Oh, I love a cardinal. The reason I bought this pack was because of the cardinal. The orangey reddy might match the orange already on the page. Oh, I love a little cardinal. Love them. Peace. Let's stop killing children and civilians, and let's have some peace. Oh, a little wagtail. Oh, now I want to put these all the way through. Oh, there's another one. Oh, that's nice. How cute. Alright, that's day 12. I just realised, I wonder what happened to my little textures. My uni ball. Okay, so this is 12. Torn edges. Now I need to fill this in. So I'm making lunch with Huss. Oops. That was yesterday. Today, this morning, I'm making this rather late because my battery died on my iPad. So Mac, shop, iPad, battery. Now I just can't charge the battery and it's only a year old. So he was on the spot, perfectly ready to just give me a brand new one. It's nearly a year old. Maybe I'll do that, but I'm still trying to work out if I can use the right thing and get the charge. So maybe next week I'll have a brand new laptop. Who knows? Anyway, that's good, isn't it? Right. So what's tomorrow? Where's our current one? Here it is. So tomorrow is garden. Oh, that's the right page for that. I'll have a think about that. All right. There we go. Page 12. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.